Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, March the 16th, I've got 4 great press releases for you. Let's start you off with great Panther Silver, trades on the TSX under GPR for our friends in the U.S. under GPL. They announced an annual net profit of $5 million. These are the financials for the year ended December 31st, 2010. I'm not going to go through all the details, but I do have a quote here from Kerr Foy, the executive chairman, who said, "Great Panther continued to achieve record revenue and earnings." You got to like that, from mining operations in the fourth quarter, up 40% and 60% respectively over 2009. In addition, 2010 marks a significant milestone. We report our first year of net income. Got to like that. Great Panther is a company that's been growing over time, and it goes to show you, if you're patient, do your due diligence, and stick with great investments, this is how you get rewarded. A couple of notes out of the financials. What I like, 210% increase in cash flow to $4.2 million. $5.8 million increase in net income. They had a loss of $900,000 last year. They turned around to $5 million profit this year. That's a fantastic number. Closed yesterday, 371, 52-week range, 67 cents on the low. Look at that. How could I miss on that opportunity, let alone you? 490 on the high. They say they're one of the fastest growing primary silver producers in Mexico, and they own 2 operating mines in Mexico. Good for them. Wish I'd gone that sooner. I'd heard about Great Panther. I just didn't get there. That's my bad. Next up, Quantum Rare Earth Developments, QRE on the venture, QREDF for our friends in the U.S., BR3 for our friends in Germany. They put out their first NI 43-101 compliant resource estimate. This is for the Elk Creek niobium deposit, which is in Nebraska. It was prepared by Wardrobe Mining out of Toronto. I like that. Very reputable firm. Highlight inferred resource, 83.4 metric tons or million tons at 0.62%. NB205, which is niobium pentoxide. So a big number there. Go take a look at all the details. I'm actually not very well versed in niobium. Obviously, it's a rare metal, and this is a company that's focusing on seeking out potentially economic deposits for rare earth elements. Gotta like the fact that they closed yesterday at 41 cents, almost in the middle of the 52-week trading range, 21 on the low, 72 on the high. Market cap just over $10 million. So I like this, and maybe this is this is an example of Great Panther, where you get on something like this early and ride it out. Congratulations to Peter Dickey and his team over at Quantum Rare Earth. Next up, Sandspring Resources, Venture Exchange, SSP. They announced infill drill results on their gold copper deposit, including 114 meters of 1.93 grams per ton of gold, 0.07% copper. This on their project in Guyana. Back on September 15th, they announced an NI 43-101, indicated mineral resources, 2.64 million ounces gold, 262 million pounds copper. That was at a grade of 0.83 grams per ton of gold and 0.12% copper. They also had an inferred number. The reason, though, I'm talking about the indicated number here is the grades, and I think that's what they're trying to draw our attention to. In this case, the grade was 1.93 grams per ton of gold. That's significantly above the cutoff grade of 0.83 in the indicated and 0.76 in the inferred resource. And that's maybe what they're trying to tell us. That's a big number there. They closed yesterday 280, 109 on the 52-week low, 375 on the 52-week high. So again, near the middle. Congratulations to Abram Drost and his team there. And finally, as we always say, not all that glitters is gold. Our Pets company trades on the OTC under OPCO OpCore. They're reporting record 2010 fourth quarter and full year numbers. I'm just going to give you the full year numbers. Revenue up 20% to a record $17 million and change. Gross profit 12% to just under $4.8 million. Net income up 27% to $986,000. Fully diluted earnings per share 5 cents. That's the same as last year, but they do have 23% more shares outstanding, so that's pretty good. They're able to maintain that. This is a company that provides accessory and consumable pet products in the U.S. and overseas. Closed yesterday, looks like 88 cents. 52-week trading range, pretty tight. $1.08 on the high, 70 on the low. Pretty much set and did back in the middle. Given 5 cents a share, looks like the company's trading about 18 times earnings. So it is a pretty healthy multiple from an earnings point of view. They do have a market cap of under $15 million, and when you got revenue of $17 million, they could have a little more of a bump. I think they're pretty fully valued. Nonetheless, congratulations to Dr. Steven Senges and his team over at Our Pets. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. For great press release for you. If you watch this on Globe Investor looking for more great small cap resource companies, then look below me or to the left of me to take a look at the companies we covered over the past few days. Otherwise, get up to the front page of AGORACOM if you're not already there. Watch this daily show. Take a look at the headlines right on the front page and get into the marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.